Hello everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Now today I'm just going to do a simple spaghetti recipe. I know everybody knows how to make spaghetti, but I'm going to show you how I make mine. Now the ingredients that you will need are hamburger of your choice. For this video I'm using ground sirloin. I'm using Mueller's pot size thin spaghetti noodles. We're also going to serve this with garlic sticks. You will need 1 green pepper, 1 onion, mushrooms. I'm using Paul Newman's roasted garlic pasta sauce, Parmesan cheese, and also salt for the noodles. Now I've added salt to my boiling water right here. So I'm going to let it boil, and then I'll add my noodles. Now what I've got here is my onion, and I got it chopped up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my green pepper. So I'm going to put this off into a bowl, and then I'm going to start my green pepper. Now I'm going to add my noodles on in. And you know, I like the Mueller's pot size thin spaghetti noodles because you know what? They're already like broken in half. Before I used to have to take them and break them in half. And sometimes you don't have to do that, but you know, if you want to, you can. I'm just going to stir these around. I thought I'd make spaghetti tonight because you know what? It's been a hectic day, and I thought, you know, it's quick, it's easy, and everybody likes it. You can never go wrong with spaghetti. Everybody loves it. Now what I like to do is I always like to take this off. I always like to take this off and that off. So I'm just going to skin that off and go around the top. It just has no flavor. It's just nasty. I'm going to go inside this way like that. Take that off. Okay. Now I'm going to do the other one. Just go in. Just cut this off right there. Because that stuff is like real bitter. It just has, like I said, no flavor. So I'm going to cut this up. Got my noodles going. My noodles are almost done. I have about a minute more on my noodles, and they look really, really good. Yeah. What I have here is my onion, my green pepper, and also my mushrooms. I drained my mushrooms out of that jar. I absolutely love this combination in spaghetti. It tastes really, really good. Now what I have here is a tablespoon of butter, and I'm just going to add my mushrooms, green pepper, and onion, and I'm just going to saute it for just a few minutes. Now what I have here is my onions, mushrooms, and green pepper. I'm just going to saute these for a couple of minutes. Now the next thing that you want to do is definitely take your meat and start breaking this up. And I'm going to put some salt and pepper on this. And I'm going to turn on my eye. It would help. I'm going to turn on my eye. So, spaghetti is really, really good. You know, you can't go wrong with it. Everybody likes it. It's simple. It's easy. And you know, you can have it for the next day. You know, in case you don't have time to make dinner the following day and stuff, at least you got leftovers. Spaghetti. Now I've got my hamburger going. I just added salt and pepper to this, and I'm just going to let this cook up. Now the pasta sauce that I'm using is Paul Newman's, and it's roasted garlic. Make sure that you shake this up. I always do that with my pasta sauces because they settle to the bottom, you know. So I always shake them on up. But I'm using Paul Newman's roasted garlic. This is a very, very, very good spaghetti pasta sauce. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my sauteed vegetables on in, which is mushrooms, onion, and green pepper. Now I've added my sauteed vegetables. Now what I've done is I've added our Paul Newman's roasted garlic sauce, pasta sauce in here. I'm just going to let this simmer. Now if you want this a little bit thicker, what you can do is you can put Parmesan cheese in here and it will thicken that water. See how over on the side, if you have a little bit of water there, it happens. And you can thicken that up with Parmesan cheese. But when you do that, it will change the flavor. So I'm just going to let this simmer on the stove. Let everything incorporate. Like I said, spaghetti is a dish that you can make and you can have for a couple of days, you know, and it's good. You can never ever go wrong with spaghetti. Everybody loves it. Now I just wanted to say I sampled a little bit of the pasta sauce and meat and the vegetables. The vegetables are sauteed perfect. They're not overdone. And the sauce has the perfect spice. It has the garlic, it has the peppers, it has the salt, it has pepper in it, and onions, mushroom. It gives it a really, really good blend and a good flavor. Very, very flavorful. Now what I have here is I have a cookie sheet with some parchment paper, and I'm going to preheat our oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to cook this for 5 to 6 minutes. And it is our New York Bakery breadsticks with real garlic. So you're going to preheat your oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit and cook it for 5 or 6 minutes in your oven. Now, I got to show you our sauce. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put 3 of these on. I had to wash my hands off. But you're going to put these in your oven at 425 degrees. And you're going to cook these for like 5 or 6 minutes. Now I wanted to show you how good, excuse me for my arm, because I'm holding the camera and doing this. I wanted to show you how good our pasta sauce is. Look at that. Now, if you like this mixed up, what you can do is you can take the pasta sauce and a spaghetti and put it into a bowl and mix it all together. Now, my mom likes it like that, where she likes to take the sauce and mix it all together. Now, I like my stuff separated. I like my noodles on the bottom and the sauce on top. But everybody has their preference, so whichever way you like, you prepare your dish. But this is really, really, really good. This is very, very, very good. I wanted to show you guys our pasta sauce. This is so, so good, and it's not sweet. You know, there's some sauces that have like a lot of sugar in them, and they're really sweet. This is not. The Paul Newman's roasted garlic pasta sauce is not sweet. It's very, very good. Now what I've done is I put our garlic sticks into the oven, and I'm going to cook those for 5 minutes. Okay everyone, here is our garlic stick that we have, and also my spaghetti. It's just a classic simple spaghetti, and it's very, very good. I sampled a little bit off to the side, and it is very, very good. I want to thank everybody for watching this video. Please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that way every time I come on you know. I want to thank all the subscribers out there. And if you're watching this video for the first time, please click the subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Again, thank you for watching our video. Take care. And now go make you some simple, easy spaghetti. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.